Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2002 Suzuki Intruder with 3,778 miles has been upgraded with an aftermarket TRIKE kit, aftermarket fairing, Keurig and ISO grips, LED front and rear turn signals, an aftermarket top case, adjustable handlebar risers, rider floorboards, front fender rails, an engine guard, brake pedal, mirrors, and a rear LED light strip. The Intruder is a reliable metric cruiser that offers some towing capacity as well. Powered by a 1462cc V-twin engine, the Intruder puts 84 foot-pounds of torque and 67 horsepower through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 652 pounds and has a 27.6-inch seat height. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Intruder will need new brake light switch fitment, new rear brake pads, rear master cylinder issues addressed, an exhaust leak addressed, a right axle seal leak addressed, and passenger pegs. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.